So here's the thing, I occasionally go on destination shoots where we highlight the best things to see and do in a given area. These are typically fast-paced run and gun scenarios where I'm filming as we go. And even though I prefer using a camera strap, sometimes it can get in the way. I frequently have to get high or low shots or move in such a way that a strap just doesn't make sense. For high shots, I have to take the strap off and it's dangling in my face. For low shots, it's all over the ground, or I have to try to wrap it around my wrist. Or if I'm, say, using my Peak Design strap, sure, I can unclip it, but then the strap's just awkwardly dangling or lying on the ground. All of which is extremely inefficient, especially if all I need is a 10-second shot before moving on. That's where the new Belay quick release camera strap from PolarPro comes in. It's part of PolarPro's new quick draw collection, which includes the Apex, a minimalist tripod complete with ball head, and the Traverse, a one-handed quick release strap mount. The included quick release plate not only allows you to switch between these mounts, but is Arca Swiss compatible for use with your favorite tripod, which saves a massive amount of time. So the first thing I noticed when using the Belay was how sturdy it was. It's made out of lightweight aluminum and feels really solid when you clip your camera in. You just angle the plate into the left side or the button side of the mount and push down. To remove your camera, just grab the back of the mount, hold the button in, twist the camera, and it comes right out. Why the twist? Well, if you look closely, you can see that when the plate is mounted, there are two spring-loaded brackets that hold the plate firmly in place. As you twist, these brackets open up and release the plate. The Belay also features a total of 4 strap adjustments, 2 on the larger strap itself and 2 just above the quick release. What that means is that you can adjust the strap to perfectly fit your torso so that the camera sits exactly where it's most comfortable and most accessible. As for me, I really enjoyed walking around and going on hikes with it. Being able to unclip at a moment's notice is amazing. Now there are 2 different size straps to choose from. There's the 3/4 inch and the 1.5 inch. Initially, I thought I'd like the larger strap better because the weight of the camera is spread over a larger area. But turns out when I would pull the camera up to my eye, the strap would actually come up and rub against my neck, which when you're doing that motion over and over again is a little uncomfortable. Now, depending on how broad your shoulders are and your build, you may not experience this problem at all, but for me, I'll be sticking with the smaller of the 2 straps. But no matter which strap you choose, they are both rated to carry up to 50 pounds, which is a crazy amount of weight. And while I don't know anyone who's crazy enough to carry anywhere near that on a single strap all day, it's great to know that the strap has a high weight tolerance and should last for a very long time. A little side note, when I took the plate off my camera and threw it in a bag, the 1/4 bolt came out and I spent a lot of time kind of fishing around for it. So my suggestion would be to just always clip the plate back into the mount when it's not in use. The strap comes complete with PolarPro's Adventure Assurance, which just means that if you're not satisfied with your gear throughout your adventures, your money will be cheerfully refunded. So while Peak Design doesn't have a product quite like this, I know a lot of you will be wondering which quick release clip is the better option. For me, I found the quick release on the Belay quicker and easier to use, and much more forgiving than having to slide the plate in as on the Peak Design capture clip. The Traverse camera clip would of course make for a better comparison, and even though I'm more of a strap kind of guy, I'm really excited to try out its one-handed release feature when we're out hiking or backpacking. So overall, this is a very well designed and built quick release strap. I used it for about 2.5 to 3 hours at a time, never experiencing shoulder pain, and the camera feels super secure when clipped in. It's honestly become my new go-to. Both the 3/4 inch and the 1.5 inch straps come in at $59.99, which is a great price for a well-engineered, high-quality strap like this. As always, I'll drop links to the products in the description below, Anytime you make a purchase through one of my affiliate links, you help support the channel. And if you found this video useful in any way, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future reviews or how-tos. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.